Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So consider subscribing if you haven't yet. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the items that I got or I believe that one should have in their kitchen. So these are some storage bins that one should consider having. Some of these are airtight containers, some are just clear storage open bins that are really helpful in organizing your kitchen, in your pantry, or your refrigerators. So I hope this will help you in deciding as to which containers you're gonna get, because I'm gonna give a review for those ones that I've got and help you in your organizing journey in your home. But this also includes those items that I haven't got but I believe they are good and that you should to consider having. So these containers are airtight and they are stackable and they are good for storing your grains, rice, and pastas, and like powders, so they are good. I have this container so I can say that they've done well and they've worked well for me. I also have this kind of containers, and what I love about them is they are also stackable and you can see with the things that they put inside. They are also airtight and they are good for storing your grains, pastas, rice, and same stuff. So they are good and they are durable and they're very affordable actually. So if in case you are interested in any of the items that I have shown here in this video, then just kindly check the description box down below because I'm gonna put the link of the shops where you can get these items from. So these ones are also airtight containers that are good for storing grains, pastas, rice, and some other stuff, and they are also stackable, so they are good and they are durable. This one, I personally love this one. I have so many of this and I highly recommend them. They look so pretty, they look so neat, and they are stackable. And I have tried putting some water inside and they are indeed airtight. No water has leaked out, so they are really good. So I highly recommend this type of containers. Right, so if you notice, most of the containers or the bins that I've shown here, the common thing that they've got is that in shape they are rectangular or square rather than being circular or round. That's because that would save space. So they are really ideal and they're really recommended. And also the other thing is they are stackable. So if they are stackable, then you are able to save some space. And another thing is that they are transparent, they are clear, so you are able to see through the stuff that you've got inside. So they are very good and you don't have to fiddle with things in finding what you are looking for. So this one naman is a type of container. It's made of silicone and you can store some fruits in there, vegetables, and some meat, some frozen stuff. This is freezer safe, so you can put them in your freezer and they are okay. They don't can cover them or like essentially seal them through that parang zip or parang yung sipet na nasa taas. And then yeah. So this one naman is a different type. It's like a clip basket, but this is really good because you will be able to make use of the space below the shelf, so it's good.